Hi, everyone. Happy last day. We made it. We did it. We survived a whole year of first grade together. I just wanted to send out a big thank you to everyone for all of the support for our classroom this year. Everything that you did as far as getting your kids to school every day, helping them with their reading when they were at home, coming to conferences, making sure we had the things, the supplies that we needed in our classroom. All of that is so greatly appreciated, and just being in communication with me helps so much and really lets our year run smoothly than if I didn't have that kind of support. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for all of that. I have to say I did enjoy my time with the kids this year. I think they challenged me to grow a lot, and we learned a lot together. Next year, I will be doing a little bit of a change, so I'm very excited to say that I will be taking on the title reading position at Northview. So although I won't be in a first grade classroom specifically, I will still be able to work with first grade age students along with all of the students in our building K through 5 if they are in need of some reading remediation. So I will be happy to be popping in and out of classrooms to be able to get to see the same kids that I had this year, maybe just for a little bits at a time. But that's a new exciting adventure for me. And I just thank you again for everything, for sharing your kids with me. Hopefully they came home with a love of learning and some great memories from our first grade time together. Today I sent home their big binder that has all of the assessments that we worked on throughout the year, the ones that weren't digital at least. And some report cards were in there along with their end of the year testing scores tucked away. And also I included some keepsake things that I had just kept safe with my files so they didn't get lost in translation on the way home until hopefully today you were able to discover them in their binders. But anyway, I will be looking out for your kids next year. Just know that I'll be happy to see all of them. I will be working here at summer school for Northview, but I also wanted to remind you that the Northview Library will be open this summer. So there was a small purple flyer that went out that tells you the dates that the library will be open. I encourage you to please come and get some books. Mrs. Wallenberg, our librarian, even said it's not just specifically for checkout only, but you can come and bring the family and read books here together in the library. If you need something to do to break up your day, this can be a great place. We will also be doing free lunch for any child, any person 0 to 18 years old. It does not have to be a Northview student, but if you live in this neighborhood or if you've got family in town, like bring the kids, get a meal, check out some books, hang out, visit the Northview pool. That would be a great thing to do too. Utilize the playground if it's available. All of those fun things. We really want to see the community still out and around and enjoying the resources that we have this year over the summer. And then next year, we'll see you back here in the fall. I hope to keep in touch with everyone and hope you all have a fun and a safe summer.